This parrot was like dancing along like
Caralho, zerou a vida! Zerou a vida, papo reto! Caralho! Mano, que isso?
this bin picker-upper saw that this woman couldn't bring her cans in, so he brought it in for her.
All right, well, good to see you. God bless you as always, darling. You're looking good, like that hair. You got it down.
This drop of water here represents the entire amount of fresh water in the world. As you can see, it's very small. This buffalo was getting nipped at by these other animals and it ran into the water to get safe. This plane was used in the 20th century, the Lockheed U-2, to spy on enemy countries, and it goes so high up that the pilots have to dress up like astronauts so that they don't like die. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.